Hi, this is the first of a number of videos just showing some of the basic functionality of Mosaic. Based on your email, I'm going to take you through some of the basic functions that we get straight away from Mosaic. Here we have a typical sort of application, loan applications database. We have a sort of loan type. I'm just going to delete some of these attributes now to show you how we can recreate them. The loan type, the branch, the status of the loan, the application date, the holiday period, whether it's done through Ramadan or Eid, the year, the quarter, and the month. This is of the application itself. We also have the sales exec name. What I'm doing now is just segmenting the application date into year, quarter, month, calendar, weekday, hour, minute, and second. So we get a very good analysis of actually temporal attributes. Now what I've done here is, looked at your requests, and for example now we're doing a count of the number of loan applications we received by each loan type, so by product. There we go, so we can see how many auto loans, auto promotionals, for example. What we can also do is look at that in sort of amount terms. So look at the sum of the amount by loan type. We'll put that right under the previous function. We can also format this just to clear up the screen a bit. Any number of formats available to you, so that we can start looking, for example, at certain branches, how each loan is doing, what the status of accepted, received, referred, rejected, and also start looking at the sales exec who did those. So for example, we look at the accepted loans, now get the number, the deals accepted by the sales exec, what that actually meant in terms of summations, and then we can start looking at creating their commission structure, etc. But now we can look how we can actually report that. But first I'm going to count the number of loans that were sort of done during Ramadan or Eid, so we can look at how things are affected by the holiday periods. There we go. As you can see, we can also deal with Arabic text as well as Roman text. But now what we'll do is look at creating a dashboard, so we can look at reporting this out on a monthly basis very quickly. So here we are. I'm just going to select a few of the attributes, and I'll create a pie chart there. Again, use column charts. So I'm really just going through and selecting the attributes that I want to see listed on a monthly report, putting them into the main Infoscape, so that any user can then, instead of having to go into the actual data itself, just look at a glance and see, okay, well these are, how everything is panning out. What I can do now is move all these graphs around the screen, and I'm creating my dashboard. And this can be done by any user of Mosaic with any database. So I can really set up this dashboard any way I like, any number of graphs as well, but for this example we use 4. And I can also do all the sizing, and then once this is saved, it will save it in this view, so that when the line manager opens it up, this is what they'll see, the dashboard with all the data sitting behind it, should they choose. Alternatively, what they can do is take out certain attributes, as I can see now. So for example, we've chosen holiday periods. If I have to click on Ramadan, you can now refresh all the graphs to show me our business levels during Ramadan. And I can also do that with any date, so let's take year and quarter. And I can look at it on an annual basis. I'll just change this graph to another one. I'll do it by branch. So any graph can be replaced once it's been created, it's not a problem. And now I can look at sort of 2011. Let's look at Q1 and 2 together at first. So just refresh all the charts to show us 2011 view. And then if I want to go into Q2, again, I can go in and show Q2. The graphs are also reversible, so in actual fact, if I see a spike in one area, I can drill into that and reflect that back into the Infoscape. And I can see them in tab viewing as well. Now this file is ready to be saved and sent to Line Manager with all the graphs in place.